Check, 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 1, 2. It's 9:35 here on Tuesday, September 24th. Still watching NVDA for this week, learning all of its quirks and nuances, definitely getting a better feel for it and watching it exclusively for the last few days. In its pre-market range here, going to be taking a look when we get down to, if we get down to 16s or back up near 1720s. Should be, actually might be coming up right here as we come up to those highs. Let's watch. Good strong buying here at pre-market high. Not ruling out the short, but actually took the short there. Got 96 cents. It's a scalp, so it's got to go quick. Not going. I'm about to stop out. Took the stop. Add a marker. Keep looking. Keep watching. There it is again. I took that a second time. Let's see if we can flush further through the 80s. No. Not going. Here we go. Seeing some selling come in, and no, took the stop a second time. So quick 1-2. I'm already 2 scalps in and not reading it right, so I'm going to leave this alone here. It's still very early, 9:37. Let me set a marker. Seeing more selling come in, but I'm not going to take that right now. Okay, one more time. Got 9s. And selling not coming in. Not coming in. Nope. Gonna take another stop. Third stop in a row. Well, the selling is not here. Continue to sell into this and it's just not here. So I need to lay off this. Wait. So I'll do that. Okay, here we are coming back down 30s. 20s. Can we get back down to that 17? Can we get lower? 20s. Teens. Here we are back down near 17, watching carefully for the long here. Got 16 cents. Need the buy-in to continue coming in. Not coming in. Need them to lift those 20s. Keep going. Into the 30s. Might not be ready yet, actually. It's having trouble lifting those 23s. Keeps coming back. Can we lift those 29s? No. Can we lift those 29s and explode to the 30s? Yes, we sure can. Gonna take some off up there. Did not get filled. What was I at? 35 cents. I did not get it. Let's see if I get it here. I did not get it, and now we come all the way back in. And now back to entry. Can we get up at 35 cents? Again. Can we lift those 30s again? 31s, 32s, and then back down again. I'm going to have to come down. I'm going to come down to 29 cents. I might actually have to bomb out of this whole thing. I'm going to take the whole thing off. It's just not going. Back down to 17. So what does that mean? Does that mean the seller's in control? Not certain. I'm still looking for the long down here. Big battle. 90s. 80s. I wouldn't mind getting long down here if a buyer steps in. Oh, a little bit of buying coming in. Little bit of buying coming in. I got 17. And is it gonna go? Can we rip up to the 20s? That 8's got a lift. Gonna take some off here at 12. Didn't get it. Trying to get it now. Did not get it. And is this gonna come all the way in? Okay, canceling the order I had at 12. And this thing doesn't look like it's gonna pop. Here's 9s again. Can we get up? Can these buyers win? 12s, 13s, 14s, 15s. I'm gonna take half off right there. I still got a half of the position left. Nice buying coming in. I'm gonna take off one right here and another one right there, and I got one left. Where can that one go to? Let's see how far that one can go. 35, I think, was the last spot where they were selling. But I'm gonna set a stop on this, I think. If we get down below like 9 cents, I'm gonna be flat on this last lot. Kind of a runner. But if we can get up over 40 cents, 35, 40 cents, maybe we could run to 18. So I'll leave it on for a what if. Back down to the teens. And it looks like I'm going to get stopped out on that last lot here. And I did. Got stopped on it right there. Well, I tried. I tried holding on. So we'll have to rinse and repeat. I like that spot to get long though. That was a great. Where did I get in? The hole on that dropout right there, and I got long at the hole. I thought it was a pretty decent trade, much better than the first few. Set a marker here. 60s here. They're selling it. Not a ton of downward. I mean, a little bit of downward movement, sure, but I've seen worse. We are still moving lower. Okay. I'm still looking for the long though. And right there, trying to get it 61 cents. Got a partial there. 61 cents. Can we go? Right away. I want to see those offers lifting. I don't know how long this might last, but I want to see it go pretty quickly. No. Can we get up above 70 cents? No. Drops right into the 50s. And down. So I'll probably take a stop on this. Yep. Still watching. Still oriented toward the long. 50s. Trying to get, I got 59s. Can we get up to those 70s? Thought I saw the buyer step in. 59s, can we go? Can we lift those 70s and get to the 80s? Can we get over those 60s? No, just comes right back in. Okay, so they're still selling it. 16, 20s. Yeah, they're just still selling it all the way down. 20s, teens. I'm gonna try here. Got 23 cents. Can we go? Can they lift? Oh, that 22 is selling. That's not good. That 22 was selling. Need that 22 to get blown away. 22's gone, and now we should just rip to the 30s. And we're not. Here we go. 30s. Can we get to the 40s? Good buying here. Can we get to the 40s? Gonna take some off here. Can we get to the 50s? Gonna take some off there. Did not get it. Trying to get it here at 42. Did not get it a second time. Gonna take it at 40. Down to 1. And I'm gonna be out of that below 20 something cents. I'd like to see that just go if we can, but not expecting anything. If that 40 can lift and we can get up to 50, 60 cents, I'll take it off up there. It's really struggling up there. 37s. Nope. Took the stop, or took the basically break even on it. Okay, let me set a marker. They definitely bought it off of that 16. So maybe if we get back down there, there'll be something else. Okay, so we're at what, 10:06? Back down to these 16s. Let's see what happens down there. We have not yet broken pre-market lows, so that's a pretty good spot to get long though. I like that. That may have not been a good. Oh, now we're at 40. if we pop to these like 50s, 60s, and then a seller steps in right here, I might short that. It's kind of like we're having right here, actually. Let's watch the tape. Okay, got 43 short. Not going. I might kill this. Not going. Going to that 50. Might be early. I'm early. Shit. Yep, early. Let's keep watching. That was early, and I should have just gotten out. Okay, I got 39 on the short. Let's see if those sellers step in. No, straight back to 40. Can we drop those 39s? Is that seller going to step back in? That's better. Can we get back down to those low 20s? I see that seller printing 39s, 40s. Not lifting 40 now. Ugh. Took the stop on that. Feels like there's a seller in here. They're just not ready. It's a couple times already now. Lots of trades today, not a lot to show for it. '50s. Just gonna sit and wait for something to show. It's kind of no man's land now. Just keeps climbing. Just keeps climbing. 70s. '70s. Moving up to these '80s, maybe. Back to the 70s. Leaning more short bias now. Back to these 70s. Don't see anything here really. Looks like all the participants. I'm gonna short that 64. Gonna short that 64 and look for selling to come in here. Needs to get down below 60 quickly. About to take a stop on that. Needs to get down right this time. Nope, I'm about to cover this. There we go, back down to 64s. Need to see the seller step in and start moving it lower. So I don't want to see 67 bid anymore. Where are the sellers? 50s. Can we get to the 40s? '40s. Trying to get some cover down in the low 40s. Didn't get it. Can we keep selling off down to those low 40s? No. Straight back up to the 60s. Need to see an offer step down below 50 cents. Don't want to see this back above 60 cents. Need to see that seller actually step in and start moving lower. No, 60-cent bid is not what I want to see. Let's see if that seller can step in and move us, excuse me, below 50-cent offer. But I'm not seeing that right now. And we're above 60-cent bid now again. The seller's just not pushing. About to break up. Yeah, I'm out of this thing. That's frustrating. Got in at 64, got out at 68, and it went down to 46, and I got nothing on it. That's frustrating. Let me set a marker. That was mismanaged. Short might still be valid, though. Back up to the 60s. I saw that seller working, but then they let off the gas. Boom. There they go. There they go. There you are. Let me set a marker here. Now I wish I had those 64s still. Mismanaged. That sucks. Down to these 30s. Yeah, I had it at 64. I had it at 64, and the most it went against me was 72. Now it's in the 20s. That sucks. Need to review it. And here is NVIDIA coming into lows. It's 1023. And look at that. Straight down to that support level there. Gonna try to get, I got 95s. Got long here, just a scalp. Needs to be quick and not going. Needs to lift that 90 and go. Not going, I'm out. I'm out. It's not going. There it goes. There it goes. That was a great spot. And it looks like I got out at the very bottom of it. Not trading super well here today. Let me set a marker.